My name is Brad Dancer. I'm 54 years old. I'm the men's tennis coach at the University of Illinois. I started to notice my hair loss maybe 8 to 10 years ago. I would see some pictures of, just family pictures and so forth. Like, man, I'm really starting to lose my hair. And I think there was one maybe 5, 6 years ago where I was like, holy cow, it's almost all the way gone up there. So that just things that affect your psyche a little bit. My hair was receding on both sides here in the front and a little bit in the back. One of our former tennis players, Rajiv Ram, is a client here, and I had some other people that I knew that had come to We Grow Hair Indy with good results, and everybody had super things to say about the entire team here. I felt really at ease. Darren is so meticulous in the pre-surgery, concepts of all the details and how it's all going to go down. So for me, I think all the ambiguity was taken out of it. It was really clear on what was going to happen, and then from there, everything went according to plan as much as it can when you're getting operated on. There's no surgery that goes perfect, but I think it went exactly how Darren and the rest of the team said it was going to go. I've been somewhat blown away at the level of whether you want to call it customer service or just care. I think everybody here at We Grow Hair Indy is very involved in the process. They're very passionate about the work that they do, and I think they really strive to see a great result from each one of their clients. So I certainly felt that in my case, that fully invested in me, my procedure, and all the follow-up over this past year. I think probably the biggest thing for me is family. Everyone in my family can't believe just how much hair has come back. I don't know whether they don't believe in the concept at first or not, but really surprised at that, and co-workers surprised. So it's been, again, overwhelming success in my mind. Everybody's got their own choices, right? And I think it's up to them. But again, I can only speak for my experience here at We Grow Hair Indy, and it's been really a phenomenal team effort all across the board. I'm Brad Dancer, and I got my hair back.